wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you
God's Son? What? Even in this modern scientific era, you still believe in such unscientific notions. Is God a physical being? Does God dwell in substance? Does God belong to a tribe? Does he have a family? Does he have children? Just one child or many? What is God? What would his existence be like? By the way, do you not study science, biology, physics, chemistry, astronomy? The earth, the sky, the moon, the sun, the stars, billions of galaxies, distances spanning billions of light years, black holes like bottomless pits, star nurseries, nebulas, infinity, dimensions. Do you not reflect on these things? When you observe the order and precision in all this, does it not bring to mind a limitless, mighty, principled, and patient being? Do you feel that there is one who treads every single grain into a string, one by one? Believe me, God is only one. God in the history of humanity has only created Adam and Eve without a father and mother. As for Jesus, peace be upon him, he is simply a miracle of this great and mighty God. Creating him in a mother's womb without a father was not at all difficult for him. Peace be upon Mary and her purity. Peace be upon Jesus, the fatherless child, who became the hope of millions of followers. Peace be upon the day Jesus was born, and peace be upon the day he will be raised again. Say he is Allah, the One, Allah the eternal refuge. He neither begets nor is born, and there is nothing comparable to him.